Hello, hi, namaskara. I am Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video I will be doing the unboxing of the Steelbird SB-51 Rally helmet. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. This is the box and let's open it and actually check out the helmet. So this is actually like the outer box. Inside this you'll also get one more, the main Steelbird branded box. This is only for the delivery purpose, and you can order this from Amazon. Link will be in the description. And this one is a half face helmet. We'll come to know the exact design once I open it properly. So these are the two books that Steelbird has sent me. If you buy it normally you won't get, but if you want to read these books, links will be in the description. And now let me show you the box itself. So this is how the box looks. On the top we have off-road performance, left side SB-51 Rally branding, this side manufactured by Steelbird High Tech Private Limited. This side again we have the branding, and here is the pricing details, but I'll show you at the end of the video. Alright, time to open the box and check out the helmet itself. Now if you want to see other Steelbird helmet videos, I've made videos on almost all the latest helmets that Steelbird has launched. So you can check out my channel, and if you're not following me on Instagram, then you can follow me on Instagram too at @rcmediahouse. And now time to actually take out the helmet itself. Alright, so here's the helmet. We'll keep the box aside. Helmet in white packaging, so we need to remove the packaging to actually see the helmet. So here's the helmet itself. It's in red color and the visor is plain in this. So you can see SB-51 Rally scratch resistant visor, red color, matte finish, ISI marking, and this is actually the small size. So in this you get three sizes: small, medium and large. This is really different because generally in Steelbird you get medium and large, but this time first time Steelbird has introduced small size, which means it is 560 mm. So I'm gonna try this and see how much difference do we have between medium and small, because medium also I've tried and that fits my head pretty properly, but I use a scarf with that. With this we have to check with scarf how hard or tough it becomes, but let's see. Anyways, the mass is 1050 plus minus 50 grams and it's made in India. Alright, so you can see this is a half face helmet, and the USP of this helmet is that you can see this part, that's the Bluetooth system. So it is Bluetooth intercom half face helmet. And why do we have this thing? So there are a lot of people who don't want a full face helmet in city. It becomes like very hot and they want a half face helmet, but with the half face also they want to have a Bluetooth system. So earlier if you bought an aftermarket Bluetooth system, then the mic will be actually outside. You have like wind blast on the mic directly. So what Steelbird has done is that you can see this part here. So basically the microphone is behind so that there's not much wind noise. As well you can use as a microphone intercom Bluetooth system. So this one actually I don't think comes with a Bluetooth system. It's empty, so I think you need to buy it aftermarket or afterwards from Steelbird. I'm not sure about that, but in this I can't find any speakers, neither the intercom. So this one is just the helmet. Alright, so front we have this visor kind of thing, which is like a protector on top, and then we have the actual clear visor. We have the rally branding here because it's called SB-51 rally. And overall the helmet feels really premium, good finish. It does look a bit different because normally this half face helmets don't have this extra part, and if you're riding with this thing, there will be people who will be looking at you and thinking, oh, what is that, what is he wearing? So it will attract a little bit of attention at first, but if like they see many people having the same kind of helmet, then it will become common. Now you can also see that the inside foaming has also changed. This has become a lot more thicker, and the cloth has also changed. If you see other Steelbird helmets, they have a little bit different type of cloth. This one is a lot more different and lot more cushiony, and it's also removable, so you can remove it, clean it and put it back. Alright, so for the pricing details I will show you now. So it's priced at 1599. You can also check online, maybe sometimes there are discounts too. So this one is matte red color, 56 centimeters. It's also available in medium and large size. So this is how the helmet looks, and the main thing is that one more thing that I needed to add is that this helmet is inspired by the rally cross, like the competition that happens of the cars. You will see they'll be also wearing this kind of helmet. So that is how the inspiration of the helmet design is, and I'll just move around to show you the how does it actually look when you wear it. So this is how it looks from back, from the side and from front. This is available in currently black, white and red, and if you see online, few more colors are coming up slowly, and decals and all designs will come up slowly, so you can check out in the links below. So this is how it looks from this side. And yeah, if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. And one more thing I need to tell you is that this is a small size helmet. So normally I use a medium one, and this one is actually pretty tight. So if I use a scarf that I normally use, then it will become very tight. So if people who had trouble with the medium, they felt like very loose and they were not using any kind of scarf, so small will work perfectly for you. And even the foaming has changed little bit, so now yeah, pretty good. And yeah, like, share, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. And this visor is also available in smoke. This one is clear. And thanks to Steelbird for sending this helmet. Hello, yeah, I've reached the third point. Please tell me the location. Okay, front 300 meters. Yeah, I'll be coming for the oil checkup. Please get ready. I need to do it fast. Come on. Yes, I'm driving the car. Yes, come on. Yeah, I'm on the way. Please let me know the location exactly, which is the next turn. Okay, left side turn. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, that's looks kind of difficult. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I've done it. Yeah, moving on. Where's the next checkpost is 3 kilometers. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, fine. Right, ready. Team, get ready for the oil change. Yes, I'm coming.